What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my teeth journey because child, do I have a story for you. But how do y'all like the way I look today? You see? Okay, so where do I begin? I have always had, since forever, I have always had crooked teeth. And I mean, my bottom teeth were very, very, very crooked. And my front weren't that crooked. I just always had longer teeth here, like fangs, and small teeth next to them. So it makes the fangs look even bigger. So I've had drama with my teeth since day one, right? Then I went and got braces. I probably got them in elementary, I guess. I'm bad with time. I'm really bad with time. But let's say in elementary, I had my braces put on. I had no problems. But see, when they took the braces off, I didn't wear my retainer like they told me to. I should have been wearing it consistently all the time, no matter what, and I was not following the rules. If you're looking at this is how the dress is supposed to be. The bottom of it also has a half up and half down, so just so you know. Don't try to correct me. Say nah. Long story short, I had the braces back then, and what had happened was I wasn't wearing my retainer the way I should, and my teeth went back a little bit. They didn't go back a lot. Like, I didn't really need to get them again. I just wasn't happy with my teeth, and I feel like instead of complaining about something or just constantly looking at yourself in the mirror and not being happy with it, change it, you know? So I decided to get braces again about a year ago now. It was January of last year, 2017, that I got my braces put on once again. So we're here to talk about this time with my braces. I have different braces on this time. My first encounter with braces, I had these silver braces. Now my braces are white. You see silver? That's the bar that goes through the actual braces. Like, that's just the wire that goes through them. That is silver by default. But usually people that have the silver braces, the part that's glued to your teeth is silver. Mine are white. So that's why people can't really tell that I had braces from far away. Like, if I'm back here and I'm like, geez, you don't see them as much as you would with someone who has silver braces. So if you look really closely, see, this is like, before I got my braces put on, I explained to them what I needed to be done because I was not happy with my fangs, see? And so they told me that they suggested that I get the braces put on again on the top, and then at the bottom I had one tooth that was slightly crooked and everything else was really straight. But they told me that getting braces again may not work, and what I needed to do was have a tooth removed first and then get the braces on to fill in the gap. Now, I got the tooth taken out, a whole surgical process that they do, you know, and that was crazy. Yeah, that's another story there, getting the tooth pulled out. It was painful. Now, they said I could just have my braces put on right after that. And guess what? I couldn't get the braces put on until the next week. So I had to walk around with no tooth in my mouth. I'm going to try to insert a picture. I'm going to try my best to insert a picture because I want y'all to see how I had to walk. I was like, because I was not here for it. But let me show you my tooth. I keep my baby rolled up. Now, when your tooth is in your mouth, you only see this much. That's all you see. Oh, let me see. Yeah. You see like that. That's all you see. Meanwhile, when they pull your tooth out, look. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. And let me tell you, they didn't put me to sleep at all for this one tooth. All they did was numb me up, numb the crap out of my mouth. And literally, I'm laying there and I'm like nervous because I said, I know I'm going to feel it. I know I'm going to feel it. There's no way I'm not going to feel it. So I'm looking around. I'm nervous. I'm sweating. I'm panicking. Heart pounding. And they was just like this. Knocking something, knocking something, knocking something. And it was just like, came out. And I heard it come out. But I didn't feel it at all. The pain came later though. Oh, the pain came later. But yeah, look how big this is. So when they took this out and I went and got my braces put back on, I let them know that I did not want to walk around with the gap in my, in my mouth because I do public speaking. Yeah. I do public speaking. What? I talk to y'all, don't I? I go on Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook and all those things, you know? And I'm talking to y'all and I'm showing y'all pictures of me and, you know, I'm talking to the public. So I'm a public speaker. But yeah, I'm serious. I promise you, I told them that I'm a public speaker and I could not have a gap in my mouth. So, cheese, you know what they did? They put a fake tooth in my mouth. That's right. Right now, I have a fake tooth. And you can tell up close, it's right here. Hope you can see. Let's see. That little tooth is a fake tooth. Basically what they're doing is closing up the gap. So on my bottom teeth, you see this wire that's like off-white now? I like yellow looking. That's that elastic band material. So they pretty much stretch the band from here to here and it's pulling the teeth in stronger and stronger together. And my gap is closing little by little, and what they'll do is take the fake tooth, and every time I go back, they'll make the fake tooth skinnier and skinnier so that I always have a little gap. And we'll see when this little gap closes, they'll make it tighter again and continue to make my fake tooth skinnier until there's no need to do that anymore, and I'll just have to deal with a little gap until it closes, which is better to me than walking around looking like a jack-o'-lantern. Thank you so much. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support, and I will see you guys later with another video. Make sure you guys tune in to my next video where I will be sharing some do's and don'ts of braces and give you all the tea and tips.